Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a clear factory reset of your Apple iPhone 70 Pro and 70 Pro Max using Apple devices in case of an emergency. That means if you have trouble with your operation system on that phone, you can make the possibility, if you can unlock the phone, to make a clear factory reset. That means we are removing everything from the device and get via Apple devices a brand new operation system onto the device. Yeah, for this we will need Apple devices running on a computer, a smartphone, and a wired connection. Let's start with the wired connection first. You have to agree that you can trust the device, of course, if it is necessary. Now we're going to and have a look what's going on now. You can see there is some information about our iPhone 17 Pro. We have here the software OS 26. We can update or restore the iPhone. And this is what we're going to perform. That's really cool because we can make a backup first. If we have to perform the backup, we can then, after we are rebooting the system, we can then make a restoring out of that backup. Okay, so no data lost is required for this process. Let's restore the iPhone. There is an information about that. First, we have to turn off the iPhone Find My function. Okay, so let's perform this now. We take our phone and go to Settings, go to the Apple account, and then go to Find My. Find My iPhone. Find My iPhone has to be turned off. Turn it off. You see, Find My is turned off. Okay, let's continue now this process. This is a safety thing, of course. Stolen device stuff. That is done now, so we can restore the iPhone as well now. So here is some information about the backup first. We don't back up. I'm sure you want to restore the iPhone, yeah? All our medias and other data will be erased from the phone, but the newest version of the iPhone software will be installed. And this is the big thing behind this. We will get the brand new, good running iOS. And this will then agreed, of course, and this will help us to make a good job. Eh? Okay, now you can see it will be download out of the internet, the fresh version. And after this process is done, we will remove everything. We are going to format this iPhone, and then we get the new version on top of it. And after this process, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be in setup mode again. Then you can perform a setup, of course, and use your phone again in a good condition, because this is a good troubleshooting if you have problems with your iOS system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!